Hey, here's a great question. What if your testosterone is good, but your erections are not? Well, I'm going to answer that question right now. And hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B. And for the last 21 years, I've been the men's performance coach with African Fly, the liquid aphrodisiac. And this is what I do, answer questions like this. So let's get into it. Because basically, if you're 18 years and older as a man, you have 240 nanograms per deciliter of testosterone to roughly 950. So that's your range. Now, if you're at 300, that's what they say is basically good, that you're healthy. Yeah, you're healthy, but you're not having strong erections at that level. So you need to be somewhere between 600 to 700 nanograms per deciliter for your testosterone to kick in and make sure you have good erections going. If you're below that level, then you have some work to do. Just remember something though, if you're having weaker erections, that's a sign that other things are on the way, that there are other problems. We're talking about things like heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, even kidney disease. Now, the causes of these symptoms can lead to having ED. This is a downward spiral that you're on. However, the real culprit in all of this is insulin, high sugar going throughout your entire body. Is stripping down the endothelium, which is a thin membrane that is in the inside of your veins. And as you're tearing that down, that means you get less circulation, which is a problem for erectile dysfunction. Your testosterone is high, but your circulation is poor. When it comes down to it, you have to fix that situation with your blood circulation. So to fix this, you can go with intermittent fasting. Of course, you're gonna have to cut out the alcohol. Of course, you'll have to cut out the smoking. You need to check your medications. And this is a lifelong thing for you fellas. You have to lower your stress levels. Pay attention to whatever's stressing you. Try to get it out of your life. And another thing you want to avoid, high fructose corn syrup. It's in everything. It's all around us. So make sure you're looking into avoid that. And one thing that sometimes people overlook is adding zinc. You want to make sure you have zinc in your system. A lot of people are deficient in zinc. So when it comes down to it, if your testosterone is good, you have to check out your circulation and make sure you're checking out your zinc. And overall, your whole body needs to be healthy in order for you to have healthy erections. So once again, this is Brian, aka Uncle B, and what I want for you to do is leave a question in the comment section. If you have it for me, I'll either just answer it in the comment section or it may end up in the video. Also, look for a link in the description where I'll give you more information about testosterone production, and the things you can do to just get better at it. So my man Ken, thanks for that great question. And this is Uncle B saying, get your game up and go hard. Peace out.